In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use a Wells Fargo credit card. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have registered an account on the Wells Fargo Bank, you will also have the ability to apply for a credit card. You can do this process either through the website, which is what I recommend, or the mobile app. You will find all the credit card options that they have in there. As you can see, they have plenty of options to choose from with different bonuses and features. I highly recommend that you take your time to carefully read through all of this, but using the credit card is the same across any credit card that you apply for. So after you are done applying for the credit card through this page and you know all the offers that they have, you will be able to use the credit card after you receive and activate it. The proper way to activate the card is to go to a branch or talk to their customer support over the phone. They might ask you for some information to validate your identity, and after you are done validating your identity and proving that you are the owner of the account, your card will be activated, ready to go. Now, all that you have to do to actually use the card online or in store is to provide the card number, which is the 16-digit number that you can find on the card itself, the expiration date, and the security code at the back, known as a CVC or CVV. As long as you are able to provide all that information whenever you make a purchase online or in store, you will be able to use your Wells Fargo credit card. Make sure that it is properly activated, and if necessary, you can go to the website and find the option to contact them here. But for the most part, that is all you have to do. Make sure that it is working, activated, and when you provide all the information that I mentioned, the card number, the expiration date, and the security code, you will be able to use your Wells Fargo credit card for any purchases that you make in the future. I hope I was able to help you on how to use a Wells Fargo credit card. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.